I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility. Check the capture card supports the Xbox 360 output resolution and 60 FPS if you want smooth footage. Once done, install the capture card drivers on your PC and the Capture app. This avoids driver conflicts later. Now connect cables. Use HDMI if your card accepts it, or component plus audio breakout if not. Make sure the Xbox is powered off briefly while you connect, then power on to let the software detect the signal automatically. You now configure the capture software. Choose the capture card as the input source and set the resolution to 720p or 1080p, depending on the card and performance. Then set bitrate and pick hardware encoder for lower CPU use or software encoder if you need finer control. This affects quality and CPU load. Once set, route audio from the capture device into the app, select stereo or multi-channel, and run a short test recording to verify sync and levels before proceeding. You're ready to record. Begin with a short test clip to check for audio-video sync, dropped frames, and overall clarity. If that looks good, start your full recording and use clear file names plus markers or auto-split to manage long sessions. Once finished, stop recording and verify the saved file plays back cleanly. If you see no signal or artifacts, recheck the HDMI/component cables, confirm the capture card drivers are current, toggle input selection, and power cycle the Xbox and PC as a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.